Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate Monday.com security features for team safety, beginner guide step by step clearly. To activate Monday.com security features for team safety, start by logging into your Monday.com account. Once logged in, navigate to the main workspace where you have administrative access. Click on your profile picture in the bottom left corner to open the account settings. In the settings menu, select the admin option. Look for the Security tab in the left sidebar. Click on the Security tab to view available security features. First, enable two-factor authentication for added account protection. To do this, click on the toggle next to two-factor authentication. Follow the on-screen instructions to link your mobile device or authentication app. Next, configure password policies by locating the password settings within the Security section. Set parameters for password length, complexity, and expiration. Make sure to save any changes you make. Afterward, review the activity log to monitor any user activity within your account. To access the activity log, scroll down in the security settings. Identify any unauthorized access attempts or changes made by users. If any suspicious activity is found, you can revoke access immediately. Next, enable team invitations and access settings to restrict who can join your workspace. Choose to limit access only to specific team members. This helps to ensure that only trusted individuals can view sensitive information. Consider setting permissions for boards and dashboards to control data visibility. Assign different access levels for team members based on their roles. Finally, remind your team about the importance of security practices. Encourage them to create strong passwords and use two-factor authentication. By following these steps, your team's safety and data security on Monday.com will be significantly enhanced. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.